Hello po. Ito na lang yung testi ko kasi tinatamad ako mag-type eh. Ha? Oo. Oh, pasensya na, may brownout dito. Dito na ako sa Batangas. Ano lang yun? Generator para masaya. Testi-testihan. Oo. Ayun. Tapos basta sana maging close pa tayo, tapos yun, maging masaya tayo habang buhay. Oo na. Ano pa? Paano sabihin ko? Ano na lang, good luck na lang, tapos aral mabuti, tapos
madayin lang, may ilaw na.
Ayos na. Basta aral mabuti, tsaka huwag magdadrive. Ito nga pa lang, kabayo nga klase ko. Ito.
Alay, ba't may ikatayin ako?
Oo. Wala. Yun, extra yun. Yun, nandito lang sa bahay.
Patay may ABR.
Ito pa. Hello. Ito na yung kalahati Practice. You close but still over the way. But I'm dying to say I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. I'm crazy for you. Going down, we begin to move, and deeper into you. Standing still inside, and you can read my mind. Yeah, I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it. Anyone like that, it's so brand new. Feel it in my craze, feel it in my guts, because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like that, it's so brand new. Sensya po, naputol. Biglang nag-time na, kaya putol. Ayos lang yun. Ayos na. Ayos na testi Okay. Basta, bye-bye and have a good day and study hard and be good. Like me. Bye-bye.